What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Allan Wade, and right now I'm downstairs in my podcast area. Well, the area that I intend on podcasting at. But some of you guys who watch my channel are probably wondering why I haven't actually done a podcast yet. Because I'm all set up. I got my mixer, I got my mics, I got my turntables here on the left, and the truth is, it's just hot down here. So I have an issue with heat. It's burning up down here. There's no, only thing I have is a little small window on the side. So I had to come up with a solution. So this is what I came up with, guys. And I want to make a video about it for anybody who's having the same issues that I'm having right now. I bought a used air conditioner. Older unit, big unit, used air conditioner. I got it from, I think it was Facebook stores. The Facebook marketplace, I think that's what they call it. There's also deals on OfferUp and Let Go of people that's selling used air conditioners. But I needed a portable air conditioner because I needed that hose that hooks up to the long hose that goes out of the window. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this unit that comes with it, that attaches to the hose, that allows it to vent outside, and I'm going to actually jerry rig something. I'm going to have to measure the space and make a makeshift one that goes out of that window because they don't have one in this size. So what I did was, my neighbor was throwing away some garbage and I found a piece of plastic. I'm going to have to cut this intricately, but I found a piece of plastic and I'm basically going to have to, I'll show you guys what I'm going to do. I'm going to do it right now with you guys. So here we go. Let's get into it. DIY. If you have a small basement window like mine, this is what you're going to do to get some cool air in your workspace so that you can work and not sweat cats and dogs. Here we go. First thing, and this is kind of obvious, guys, you got to measure out your space for the amount of material that you need. So mine is going to be, and you have to leave a little bit of space so this can fit in because the plastic is a little bit bendable, but it's not going to be a perfect fit. So mine is going to be about 13 and a half. Let me see. 13 and a half by 14. So 13 and a half by 14 is going to be the size that I'm going to need. Hopefully this is wide enough. Let's see. Alright guys, so we're going to mark this 13 and a half by 14. Should be fine. Boom. Hopefully this is sufficient. 13 and a half is about right here. Right here. I can see my marks. 14 inches wide. This thing is just 14 inches wide, so I figure I'll just have to cut the edges off. Okay, yeah, I know exactly what I'll do. 14 is about right here. Alright, so that's going to be what we're going to do. We're going to make a straight line down the 13 and a half. Because we know this is how much we need. So we're going to make up the lines down to 13 and a half because that's how much we need of it. Boom, straight line right there. That's where we're going to cut. And our other cut is going to be right here. Boom. And this is going to be the space, the area that we need. And it's 13 and a half wide. So this is going to go up into the window like so. And I'm going to mount it like this. So I'm going to take and make the circle right here. Kind of like up a little bit. Alright, so that should be fine. Hopefully. So it mounts like that. Yeah, it should be fine. 13 and a half. Wait a minute. Let me think for a second, guys. Let me think for a second. Let me measure one more time. Measure twice, cut once. Alright guys, so it's just like I thought. This 14-inch part is going to be the part that is standing up, so that means I'm going to need to make my circle about right here to mount the hose to. So I'm going to make a makeshift thing right here. Boom. And it's going to be my circle for this ventilation system right here. And I'm going to take my handy dandy Dremel and get busy with this thing. It's going to take a while to cut, but we are going to cut this thing right now. You guys have no idea. I'm sweating in here already. So after a few minutes, I finally separated the pieces. I got the piece that I need, but I still have to get all these big pieces out because I need this to be not flat, but kind of flat. So I gotta cut these big pieces out right here, and then I'll be pretty much good to go. If I had a grinder, this would have been much easier, but let me test this out to see if this even fits. Give me a second. Alright, minor modification here. So if that worked, that pops in. And this side needs just a little bit off of the top. Actually, this pops in too. So that works perfectly, guys. Check that out. Awesome, awesome. Just gotta get these rough edges off and we're good to go. Let me see. Comes off great. Comes off nice and easy. Just like, yep, perfect. All right. All right, guys, let me finish this up, and I believe the podcast will be on and popping. And ladies and gentlemen, all that for this tiny little piece right here. Manufacturers, why don't you guys make this for small little windows? There's a market for it. I would have bought this. I would have paid 20 bucks, 30 bucks for this. I don't know. I would have paid for it. And mine that I made is kind of flimsy. You guys can make this and improve on this for different size windows, please. Do you guys make this? I looked online. I couldn't find it, so I made one. But hey, let's put it in the window and see. Tonight is fine with me. I think so. Ooh, baby, it's so cool down here now. This is gonna be awesome. I spent 50 bucks on this online. That little piece right there I found in the trash. And I jerry-rigged it up. Now I got a cool basement. And now it's podcast time. You see the sweat on my brow right here? It's just cooling all away with this wonderful, brand new to me, portable air conditioner on wheels, baby. You can't beat that, guys. So, I hope this was helpful to somebody. If you have a grinder, it's going to be a lot easier. I don't have my grinder anymore. I got rid of it, unfortunately. But the Dremel tool, to be honest with you, it cut through that plastic like it was butter. So I hope this was helpful. I hope somebody got some use out of it. And that is how you cool out a basement so that you can do your projects or whatever in it. I also have a dehumidifier in here that I run sometimes because this basement does get a little what do you call it? This basement does get a little tiny bit of moisture in it, so I have a dehumidifier down here also. So yeah, guys, I hope this was helpful. If you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned, guys, because the podcast is going to be on and popping. I'm going to be taking callers and all that, guys. It's going to be great. I am in the game now. I got my little air conditioner going on down here because I don't have central air in the house, obviously. So guys, I'm excited. Hope this was helpful. It's your boy Allan Wade, A-Dubb. I'm out. Peace. Subscribe to the channel.
Turn up that, crank it up. Why listen to the rest when you're rocking with the best, baby?